Hello everybody. When I slide this one, the LED blinks slower and faster. Now it's blinks slower, very fast, again slow. Also we can see the numbers for checkbox, radio and button in here. When I click the checkbox, on, off, radio, on, off, button, on, off. Also the sliders, when I click the different places, I get different number. Let's get started with this. Let's zoom in to see the wiring properly. And let's open the Nextion editor. I have made a separate video how to install Nextion editor. It's available here. You can click File, New. I put in, save. This is the one I'm using. Orientation this side. First of all, we generate a font, make it with bigger size, 32, and put in as a file name, generate font, save, okay, yes. Now we can close. I need a slider. Let's take a slider and keep it here. That's only I need, but I want to show you simultaneously how to transmit data. So I take the checkbox and I keep it here. Also radio, I keep it here, and button, dual state button, I keep it here. For the button, I need to change the text, make it okay. That's all. What we need to do is for everything, for the touch release event, we need to send some component ID. I'm going to print H. I'm going to transmit 01 for this one, 01, 02, 03, 04, like that, and I'm going to print S, H0.VAL, H0.VAL, comma 0, and finally print H, end character. I'm going to send FF. Just copy it. I'm going to do the same thing for this one. Touch release event, paste. I'm going to do ID 2, that is C0, and now this one, touch release event, paste it. Going to do 3, that is R0 for this one. 4, that is BT0. That's all. We can save and we debug and see. Clear it. Now when we change this, so we get an ID and the value and FF. This one ID, value, FF. This one ID, value, and ID, value. Now we can close. Now upload the code. We can select the COM port and go. Yeah, it's uploaded. We can close. The wiring diagram is here. The pin labels are here. A9 to RX, A10 to TX. The wiring connection is like this. Now I have opened the Cube IDE. If anybody doesn't know how to install Cube IDE, I have made a separate video available here. Let's click File, New, STM32 project. For the commercial part number, I put F103C8. For this one, click Next. I give Nextion, finish. We can zoom in, click system core, click sys. For the debug, select serial wire and click connectivity, use SAT1, mode asynchronous, configuration, parameter setting, make sure this one is 9600, and NVIC setting, tick the interrupt. Also the PC13, we make it as a GPIO output. That's all the setting. We can click save. For simplicity, I have given the code in my website. The link is in the description below. When you go there, this one diagram is here, the setting is here, the code is here. We put this line in the includes. Go to Cube IDE, include is here, we paste it, and in the begin 0, user code 0, we copy this much, go to 0, here we paste it, and then user code begin 2, we copy this one and paste it there, and then in the while loop we copy these 2 lines, only 2 lines. And we can save. So what's happening is here is we toggle the pin by the slider number. The slider, how it gets is, we start the interrupt in the beginning, and then whenever interrupt callback called, this is how we get the data from the Nextion to the STM32. So the RX buffer is the data received. So I have 3 numbers: sliders, checkout, checkbox, radio, and button. And whenever RX box is the 0 value is 1 is a slider, 0 value is 2 checkbox, like that, and we get the number. Now we can click save and click this button, debug button, and in the debugger select and go below, make sure live expression is enabled. Enable live expression ticked. Click OK. And here you go up and see the variable. These are the variable we need to monitor. Click the live expression. I type these 5 data one by one. And finally, I type this one also, RX data. And then I make it smaller. Not RX data, RX buffer. And then maximize this. And then we click this button. Now click the slider. Different places, you get the number. Like this one, it changes from 0 to 100. The maximum is 100. And when we check the checkbox, we get the checkbox on, checkbox off, radio on, radio off, and the button on, off. Also, we can see the LED, the green color LED. When it's less, it's blinking very fast. Now when it comes here, slower, it's very slow. Thank Thank you very much for watching. If you have any question, write down in the comment section below. I try to answer as much as I can. Thank you. Bye.